In this video, I will be showing you how to edit images in Kling AI. So let's get started. First thing, just coming to kling.ai and click on create now and make sure that you are signing in. Once you sign in, you will be taken to an interface like this. Here to the left, you will be having generate. Select that, and here to the top, click on image generation. Here we are having the option to change the model. If you want the image 2.1, you can give that. The latest is the image 3.0. So I will just go with the latest model. If you directly want to generate an image, you can just give the prompt over here and generate. But in this case, we are going to edit an image. So just click on this image reference over here. And here we are having three ways to add an image. One is upload from our system. Another one is select from our history, which we already made. And next one is from the element library. I'm just going to upload an image in my case, and we can upload up to 10 images as it shows here, right? So I'll just click on upload. So here I have added the image of a cat. First I will show you only by using one image, and later I will show you with multiple images. And now it will give us an automatic reference over here. Just type the prompt that you want. Make it blue in color and add a dog nearby. This is going to be my prompt. In case if you want to add some of the inbuilt styles, here we are having the styles option. Select it, and by this way it will automatically convert this image into any of these styles available. We have the fun, realistic. We can just filter it based upon it. Okay, so you can just simply choose any of it, and this will automatically get added into your image. So I don't want that. And next is we are having the automatic AI prompt. We'll be having this DeepSeek icon. If you click it, this will give us a really good prompt for us. So in case if you want to use it, you can use this and click on generate. This will just give us a much more detailed prompt than this. And final thing is we can change the output settings. If we click this drop down, this will show us the quality of the output, the aspect ratio, and the number of images to be generated in the output. So you can also play around with this in case if you want to change it. Once you are good, just click on generate, and we have got the output that looks absolutely stunning. And we have asked the cat to be in blue color. It has been done over here, and we asked it to add a dog near to it. It has perfectly executed it. In case if you want to like generate a video from it or do other options, you can absolutely do that. Just click on this to download it. Now let's try editing with multiple images. So I will just remove this and remove the prompt. So now I will just go here, upload. I will just select two images to upload. So here I'm having image 1, which is a person walking. I'm having image 2, which is a cat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this cat walk in the image 1. So image 1 is this. So I'll just go here, put the cursor over here, and I will type make image 2. I'll just drag it like this. Yeah, put the cursor here, walk with the woman in image 1. So this is basically how you use it. If you want, you can swap that and interchange also based upon your use case. And if you are having multiple images, you can just do this way. You can simply put a art and refer it again also. So that's also another possibility. So I'm good with this. I will just click on generate, and we have got the output. As you can see, the cat is walking on the road. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel and a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.